Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Muhammad Abbas and you are watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. So guys, in today's video I am going to explain preposition. You know, we have a lot of preposition, but in this video I am going to explain one preposition which is from. So in this video I am going to explain from. आज की वीडियो में मैं एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ from क्या है, हम कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं, कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं और क्यों इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So let's come to the topic. So here we are with the topic preposition from, right? So I am going to explain from in this video. So this is the first preposition, that the topic which we are going to start. So this is the first preposition I am going to explain in this video. So see, from is a preposition. According to the grammar, it is a preposition, right? Because you can see the title of our topic. The title of our topic is preposition. So indeed it is a preposition, right? From is a preposition. Grammar के लिहाज से ये एक preposition है. Is this clear? Now you must be thinking that what is preposition? I have already made a video on preposition. The link is given in the description. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch that video from the description. Is this clear, guys? So now see, the main uses of from are. From has three uses, right? It has three uses. It has been divided into three steps. From के जो है खास तीन इस्तेमालात है. कितने? तीन इस्तेमालात है, खास इस्तेमालात. So I am going to explain one by one. See, the first one, from plus name of place. We have to use from before the place name, right? Before the place, whether that is country, province, city, street, home, etc., etc., right? So we have to put from before the name of place. Is this clear? See, name plus from plus name of place. ये हम जगह के नाम से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं, चाहे वो कंट्री हो, मुल्क हो, प्रोविंस मीन्स सूबा हो, या फिर घर हो, या फिर शहर हो, उससे पहले हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Is this clear? So see, it is used to show a person's place of living, coming, or belonging. It is used to show, a person's place of living. If we want to know, where does he live, we want to know about his country, right? Or his place of living, then we have to, then from is used to show that place. From is used to show that place. So whenever we want to know about someone's place of living, then the from is helping us to know about his place of living. Is this clear? See, it is used to show a person's place of living, coming, or belonging. ये हमें एक शख्स के रहने या फिर आने या फिर ताल्लुक रखने की जगह के बारे में बताते हैं, या फिर शख्स के रहने जगह, कमिंग जगह, आने वाली जगह, या फिर जहाँ उसको जिस जगह से उसका ताल्लुक है तो वो जगह हमें बताते हैं. ठीक है. See the example. I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. I told you guys that from plus name of place. So we use from before the name of place. See, the Pakistan, it is a place with us, right? It is a place with us. Pakistan, it is a country, right? So we use from before the place, the name of place, Pakistan. So I told you, now it indicates of, what indicates? See, I am from Pakistan. It indicates living of mine, right? Living place of mine. It means that, I live in Pakistan. It shows I live in Pakistan. I am from Pakistan, or I belong to Pakistan. Is this clear? See example. I am from Pakistan. ये हमें बता रहा है कि मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ, या फिर मैं पाकिस्तान में रहता हूँ. मेरे रहने का जगह बताता है. जैसे कि आप लोगों को मैंने बता दिया कि जब भी हम चाहते हैं कि किसी शख्स के रहने की जगह, या फिर आने की जगह, या फिर ताल्लुक रखने की जगह के बारे में जान सके, तो फिर हम फ्रॉम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. आई एम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ, या मैं फिर पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक रखता हूँ, या फिर मैं पाकिस्तान में रहता हूँ. ठीक है. Is this clear? See the second step. From is used to show the starting point or departure. Departure means leaving place, right? Leaving place. So it is also used to show the starting point. The action which starts from, from which point the action starts. Is this clear? From which point the action starts. So it shows that it is used to show the starting point or departure. Departure means leaving place. Is this clear? दूसरी step क्या है? From is used to show the starting point or departure. Departure means leaving place. Leaving place मतलब छोड़ने वाली जगह. तो हम ये from जो है हम ये भी बताता है कि कोई शख्स कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है, कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है मतलब स्टार्टिंग, शुरुआत कहाँ से कर रहा है, शुरुआत कहाँ से कर रहा है. So let's see the example. They fly from Pakistan to England. They fly from Pakistan to England. So what is the starting point? You know, their starting point, I mean leaving place. Leaving place is Pakistan. As you can see, you know, they fly from. It means that, you know, they are going from Pakistan to England. They will leave the country. You know, they will leave the Pakistan country and they will go to England. So they fly from Pakistan to England. So what is the starting point of this sentence? Pakistan. Pakistan is the starting point because, you know, it is the leaving place. They are going to leave Pakistan and go to England. Is this clear? See, they fly from Pakistan to England. जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया कि ये हमें स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट बता रहा है. तो हम ये बता रहे हैं कि वो पाकिस्तान से इंग्लैंड जा रहे हैं या जाते हैं. ये पाकिस्तान से इंग्लैंड जाते हैं. तो छोड़ने वाली जगह कौन सी है? पाकिस्तान. जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया लीविंग प्लेस, छोड़ने वाली जगह पाकिस्तान है. तो हम ये भी बता रहे हैं कि कौन सी जगह छोड़ने, मतलब लोग कौन सी जगह छोड़ते हैं और कहाँ जाते हैं. तो पाकिस्तान छोड़ते हैं और इंग्लैंड जाते हैं. इज दिस क्लियर? See the last step. From is also used to indicate sender or giver. It is also used to, you know, indicate or show. Indicate means show, right? Show that, you know, a person who is giving something or person who is sending something. You know, it shows sender or giver. Is this clear? How? See, it is a letter from my friend. It is a letter from my friend. Now what, you know, what my friend did? He sent me a letter, right? So he is the sender here. I mean my friend, he is the sender. So here we use from. Why did we use from? Because we want to know, you know, who is the sender. We want to know who is the sender, who sent me a letter. So my friend, this is a letter from my friend. It means that, you know, my friend sent me a letter and I received it. Is this clear? I received it. Third point क्या बता रहे हैं हमें? From is also used to indicate sender or giver. ये हमें ये भी बता रहा है कि सेंडर भेजने वाला कौन है, गिवर देने वाला कौन है. हमें ये भी बता रहा है कि देने वाला कौन है और भेजने वाला कौन है. ठीक है. सो सी, इट इज अ लेटर फ्रॉम माय फ्रेंड. ये एक खत है. इस सेंटेंस का मतलब है ये, मैं मतलब इस सेंटेंस का पूरी सेंटेंस का ये मतलब हुआ कि मुझे मेरे दोस्त ने खत भेजा. मुझे मेरे दोस्त ने खत भेजा. तो हमने फ्रॉम यूज किया. फ्रॉम इसलिए यूज किया कि हमें पता चले कि किसने सेंड किया, किसने भेजा. A friend, my friend, right? मेरी दोस्त ने मुझे लेटर खत सेंड किया. It is a letter from. So, you know, from की मदद से हम ये पता चला कि मुझे मेरे दोस्त ने खत सेंड किया और भेजा. Is this clear, guys? So this is the end of video. Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it right now and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.